Okay, AP Statistics. In this video, we are in Unit 1, and we are going to talk about the 5-number summary. Miss Griggs, what the heck is the 5-number summary? Well, the 5-number summary consists of 5 values. I know, you're welcome. It's tricky. We have a minimum value, that is the lowest value in the set of data. It can be an outlier, but it isn't all the time because not every set of data has an outlier. Q1, that is the first quartile value. And then, of course, we have the median, and it's the same median we talk about as a measure of center. And then we have Q3, which is quartile 3. And then, of course, the maximum. Can the maximum be an outlier? Absolutely. Is it always going to be an outlier? No. Sometimes it's just going to be the high value. Doesn't matter. Okay, so the box plot shows our 5-number summary beautifully because that is how the box plot is constructed. So I want to look at this example I have over here on the right first. So I've got a box plot here, and I've got the summary statistics right down here. If you'll notice, these right here in the summary statistics, that's the 5-number summary right there. And all of the marks, all of the vertical markings in your box plot are the 5-number summary. So this is the minimum. See, it's 43, which is just below 45. The Q3 is 68, which is right here, or sorry, the Q1. The median is 78, which is right here. The Q3 is 89, which is right here. And 98 is the maximum, which is right here. So the box plot is created using the 5-number summary. That's why the box plot shows it so well. So there's a couple of things I want to point out here. The Q1 and Q3 mark the middle 50% of my data. All right. Now I know that it looks like there's more data here in this tail than in any other section of the box plot, but don't be deceived by that. It's more spread out because the data is more spread out. But you still have 25% of your data here, 25% here, 25% here, and 25% here. Okay, so the 5-number summary breaks up your data into 4 quarters. So if those quarters, if one of them is longer than the other physically, that just means the data within that quarter is more spread out, not that there's more data there. Okay, in this data set I have to the left. This one's a little different because look, we have an outlier. So I want you to recognize now that when I look at my 5-number summary, this now acts as the minimum, and this is still your Q1, this is your median, this is your Q3, this is your maximum. Okay, so this value right here, it's just a value in your data, and the reason there's a space here between the minimum and that value is because that's what sets it apart as an outlier. Okay, so just recognize that if you have a low outlier, it's the minimum. If you have a high outlier, it is the maximum, even though it's outside of that structure of the box plot.